Okay, everyone. This could be a weird one. And why is my phone talking to me? Come on, R2. Quiet down. This could be a weird one. I got a whole case of these sodas. Some of them have, let's just say, unique names. It's this one. It says on top here, "Totally Gross Soda." Bottled for Avery's Beverage Company, New Britain, Connecticut. It's so disgusting. And the brand is Always Ask for Avery. Totally Gross Soda. It's so disgusting. And the name of this soda is Unicorn Yak. Unicorn Yak. It says it's a mixture of raspberry, orange, and cream. So we got this Unicorn Yak. It's got the picture here of a unicorn heaving and throwing up. By the way, don't touch dry ice. I got a raw dog from home of Wagyu hot dogs coming up, and I touched the hot dogs, and look at my thumb. It's numb. Look at that. Look at that redness. It's a little numb over here too, but the thumb, I feel like there's like a sheen on it now. It's like, and I mean, literally, I got burnt by ice. I mean, what the hell? Dry ice. I mean, yeah, why don't they put a warning on dry ice that you could get burnt by it? So anyway, we'll be trying out this Unicorn Yak soda. It's, what type of color would you call this? I don't know. It's purplish. So without any further ado, bang, 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 boom, 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 boom. Oh, I guess this is Pop Top. I can taste the raspberry. I sort of taste cream. I don't really taste much orange in here. It's not too bad. I'll give it a 7.9.